Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's McHenry Welds here. 5 a.m. Heading to the yard right now. Go start the day, see what we got. It's been raining the last couple days, so we're not allowed to go on the job sites to pull equipment apart to bring it in for me to repair everything. So I've been jumping on with mechanics, learning that side of the business. I can operate most of the equipment at our work, but I've never actually turned a wrench on any of it. So that's kind of exciting. Something new, fun, kind of get a new skill under my belt. Mainly work on excavators, backhoes, loaders, stuff like that. Little background on myself. I came from being a barber for 12 years. Awesome job, kind of made my own schedule, got to hang out with friends all day, but it just wasn't a career type job. So I always had a feeling that it wasn't gonna be a forever thing. So it took COVID to shut our shop down to really push me to find a new career path. Luckily my neighbor at the time, he owned a landscape company, and he was kind enough to take me on and put me to work, put me in the trenches, starting teach me how to do plumbing and whatnot. And I noticed he was welding a lot. I took interest to that really fast. I really enjoyed welding in high school. Anytime my friends were welding on something, I always wanted to jump in and kind of mess around. So, you know, I asked him if he could teach me or show me how. So he pretty much told me, you know, come in on Saturdays and you can practice as long as you want. So he would meet me there and kind of show me the basics, let me mess around, and then as time progressed, he would give me more and more jobs. And you know, in the landscape company, we would do bordering, fencing, trellises, arbors, a lot of different artistic type yard stuff. So I got the hang of welding really thin metal really fast. And you know, he was a good teacher. He taught me a lot, taught me how to run equipment. So working at the landscape company definitely got me all around kind of accommodated with a lot of different things. You know, unfortunately, California business is slowing down, so there had to be a lot of cutbacks. So I jumped on with an underground company that a buddy of mine runs. Big outfit, you know, here in Fresno, California. And I was so intimidated because I'm coming from welding gates and trellises to being thrown in with excavator buckets and compaction wheels the size of my truck. So it took about a week, maybe 2 weeks for me to kind of get used to burning in 1-inch plate and big thick metal, learning how to cut with a torch and all that kind of stuff, running a totally different welding setup. You know, I came from welding nothing but MIG to now I'm running stick and dual shield. What else? I do a lot of flux core, mainly stick and dual shield though, it just all depends. But yeah, man, I love it now. And you know, I got a lot of different skills under my belt. And now that it's been slow, I've been jumping on in the mechanic side of it, working on these excavators and loaders, and so I'm learning how to turn a wrench, and that's pretty awesome too. I've always wanted to learn the mechanic side of things. So, you know, let's get the day going. I'll see what we got in store for us. You know, I'll give you a walkthrough of my office, so to speak, and we'll just go from there. Stay tuned. All right, this is my little section right here of all the stuff that I work on. Guys don't like cleaning their stuff. All this has been repaired already. Just waiting to go out for delivery to whatever new job site they're taking it to. Got backhoe buckets, excavator buckets, different size concrete forms, slip forms, manhole cover forms. So nothing to weld as of right now. So I'm gonna go check out some of the equipment. Got David on the excavator right now, so I'll go see if he needs a hand. Little pit stop at Pape John Deere. Get some hydraulic cylinder parts, seal kits. Head back to the shop, get to work. All right, we got the seal kit in, got the cylinder all loaded up. Gonna fill it with hydraulic oil, cycle it through, and this job is done for the day. All right, guys, well, that wraps it up for today. Rain rolled in, so gotta go home. Nothing to weld today, but I gotta learn how to change all the seals out in a hydraulic cylinder, so that was pretty fun. Didn't break anything, that's always a plus. So, yeah. Until next time, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching, and you guys stick around for more exciting stuff I got coming. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll have more content coming out real soon. Appreciate it.